Right, Kamlesh, be with us. We'll just come back to you for more details because there is more news which is coming in at this point in time. Let's go straight across to that breaking news. Maharashtra BJP MLA Nitesh Rane has alleged links between Sachin Vaze and Varun Sardesai, who happens to be Aditya Thackeray's cousin. This is not all. Nitesh Rane alleges IPL extortion by Sachin Vaze. Listen in to what Nitesh Rane had to say.
There is a certain guy called Varun Sardesai who has got Y plus security from this Maharashtra government, who is related to this Maharashtra government, who is a relative inside the Maharashtra government. He had contacted and his conversations were also there with Sachin Vaje, and he had also said, okay, while you are demanding this, what is our share? That's the information that we have. So this angle has to be investigated with the NIA, from the NIA. There are bookies who operate in Mumbai, who before the IPL starts few months ago, they start operating through from different locations in Mumbai. These bookies were contacted by Sachin Vaje, and they were said, all of them were said, according to your capacity, until and unless you don't give us this much amount of money, we will ensure that you guys get busted, you guys are investigated, you guys are arrested. So they were said all these things. Around 150 crores was demanded according to the size of the bookie. That's information I have.
Kamlesh continues to be with us. Kamlesh, Vaze has been in news for all the wrong reasons, but even by the allegations made by Nitesh Rane, there is some serious answering to do when it comes to the specific charge about links with Aditya Thackeray's cousin and also the IPL extortion charge that Nitesh Rane is making herein.
Well, indeed, Nitesh Rane has been making allegations against Varun Sardesai for a long time now. Varun Sardesai is related to Aditya Thackeray. He is his cousin and also the General Secretary of Aditya Thackeray-led Yuva Sena, the youth wing of Shiv Sena. Now, the allegations that Nitesh Rane has made are pertaining to the IPL matches that took place last year. What Nitesh has alleged is that there was certain bookie racket that was into place, and having some beforehand information, Sachin Vaze contacted those bookies and demanded a certain amount, or else threatened them with action or raids. And knowing this, Varun Sardesai, that is what he alleges, is that Varun Sardesai had demanded a share from this extortion money that would be collected, that perhaps would have been collected rather from these bookies racket. So these are allegations. And when asked, Nitesh Rane said that he has certain call details about it, and he will provide those details to the investigating agency. And this angle about Sachin Vaze and Varun Sardesai connection also needs to be interrogated by the investigating agency. So all sort of allegations, Neha, are coming in at this point in time, and the picture only is getting murkier by every passing day.
Right, Kamlesh, thanks for getting us those details. Kamlesh Sutar with that important story from the city of Mumbai.